Yes, Massive Crew, back once again with another video, and today just gonna show you a couple of bits that came in the post. Got a bit of wire here, some speaker wire. Gonna try something cool in a forthcoming video in the back of my chair. And this finally arrived, Translator 6 on CD. Took over a month to get here. Apparently there were some delays because of the NAMM festival. They were up there demonstrating and stuff, so I think all their postal service went on hold. But look, some really interesting stuff to check out. They sent me something that says here, Big Fish Audio have now got over 18,000 samples, 19 gigabyte of original content, endless combinations of groundbreaking sounds, I guess. Says a revolutionary musical sound design tool, the Foundry. Anyone heard of the Foundry? Let me just get that up on the screen and see what it's all about. So the Foundry is clearly designed for soundscape, textures, ambient, rhythm beds, impacts and effects. Anyway, anything come to mind with this? I would say Omnisphere. So yeah, so they sent me some product information. Pretty well printed stuff. Got the CD here, and the thing is about when you buy a translator, they send you a temporary license, and it's only installable on one PC, which is your own. But after that, you have to wait for this CD to come. Once this CD comes, you can install it on as many machines as you like, apparently. So this is going to go straight on my Mac as well, because I need to have this, and I probably will install the full version on my PC as well, just to be on the safe side.
Guys, here you have it. This is the program all set up and running. I've actually used this on the PC before, and I actually had my Akai connected. It also recognizes Scuzzy devices, so you can actually fish sounds from your Akai sampler and convert them just by using literally this translate button. Unfortunately, I don't have this connected to my Akai, but it has a lot of other different features on there. Like there's some sort of sampler on here that you can use, and you can use it for sort of auto sampling, I guess, and creating patches. But this program is what you basically use to convert from one type of instrument to another. It recognizes all types of banks. Let's just see if we can find something in here. Right, so as you can see, you can do like bulk exports. You can just get a folder. Now, I've not actually used this properly, but from what I can see, it converts from one file format to another. Like, for example, you can convert from WAV to all these different types of sample formats, including Akai. Look, Akai MPC programs, the world of different stuff. So this is a cool tool to have. You can get, for example, what I've used this for as well is I've used this to get one of my zip drives, easy zip drives, and I've converted the samples on my easy zip drive to WAV using this program. So it is quite a good bit of kit, and I do recommend it if you're sort of messing about with Akais. There's lots of bits and pieces that you can do with it. I haven't gone into it in full swing, but you know, once I get to grips with it a little bit more, I'll probably, you know, do a tutorial for you guys. You've got an auto sampler, you've got a batch converter, you've even got a sample view. So it's a very, very useful bit of kit. Just a heads up on this program, guys. I also do a free download, I guess, for evaluation. If you want to download, have a little go at that and see if it sees all your devices, etc. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Have you used Translator before? What do you think of it? Take care, God bless, peace.